Alright, so we got the second head completed and we got it off the stand. We're ready to throw it in after we touch up a few things in the bay, but pretty good so far.
What we got going here?
I forget what it's called, but you can see some marks there. They aren't really bad, so it's the rear main seal.
Yeah.
And they aren't like valleys, but it's still something to be aware of.
All right. I'm gonna go find some emery cloth and polish that up, see how it turns out. All right, so the last time we were here, we had to resurface the crank, and we did that. Where are we at now, Bryce?
Well, we got the oil paint on. We got a new flex plate and transmission plate, or not new, we just put it on. And we got the new rear main seal.
Oh, yeah.
And as you can see, them in the back, they're kind of hiding. We got some extra hands to help us pop this engine in the bay. We're ready now.
Right here.
All right, this goes down fast. So use two hands and be very careful, okay?
I should move.
You should get out
Same thing.
counterclockwise. Easy, just like that. Keep going.
It's the worst thing that's ever happened.
To me?
Yeah.
Like physically harming myself or vehicle?
Yeah, working on a vehicle.
I don't know. My hand slipped and I cut the back of my hand open on an exhaust pipe. I had to get tetanus shots and all that.
Ooh, fun.
Oh wait. Before it goes in, tell everyone how we welded nuts on the exhaust while you can still see it. See the exhaust in there?
Yeah. All right. So if you could see it, the nuts back there, we had a lot of trouble because we had to come in and hold that down with the wrench and then come in under it. So we just didn't want to do all that again. And we went ahead and welded the nut in on both sides. You can't really see it. Then it would make it 100 times easier next time we want to take this out.
Let's keep going. Keep blowing. You should come take a look at this spot right here. Just show your camera right here. You see? And you can kind of see the alignment right there. We got an alignment dowel that we need to stab in.
Yeah. Dude, I still ready to
We're right here already aligned. Here you go. See how this mounts all the way down here to this gap?
Mm-hmm.
We'll go look at the other side.
Oh.
Go look at the other mount over there. Do you see it?
Mm-hmm.
There's a gap right here.
And there's definitely on the other side.
So
It's uneven.
yeah, so we got to get that to fall. You can see it sitting on his shoulder. Here you go.
Right here.
Yeah, don't stick your finger in there. It will fall at the worst. That's loosening it.
Can you hold it? Oh, never mind. This is some technician stuff, chat. Okay, the engine is in and we're gonna start buttoning it up.
It's not gonna start.
I think I'm, wait,
You can probably just unscrew it.
Chad, I think I'm doing this wrong.
You can just unscrew it with your hand. You don't have to.
Yeah, I'll go through that.
Gotta do the wrist face. Okay, lock in.
We need a bag now. They didn't fall over. Yeah, it's a lot heavier than it looks.
Yeah. Massive bar. It's not bad.
Where should I put it? Something.
With the jack.
No way it didn't fall all the way through. Alright, well we got the engine in. It's bolted up to the transmission. It's been a long day, but we got it. We got it done.